Hi, this is Dan from Kitch, and we're here with episode 4 of our We're Stuck at Home with the Coronavirus Blues. So we're going to try and teach you some great, easy-to-make restaurant-quality meals. And to do that, I have Chef Becca from Nala's Restaurant and her business partner, Vanessa. And I'm going to let them tell us what we're going to do today. Take it away, girls.
Hi, everybody. So we are from Nala's Kitchen in West Hartford, and we specialize in healthy meal preps. We deliver healthy meals already ready to heat and eat in the West Hartford and Hartford areas. I am Chef Becca's business partner, but when it comes to the kitchen, I let her take control. I'm her assistant. So Chef Becca, tell us what we're making, and I will help you without burning the kitchen, hopefully.
Ooh, I don't know about that, but okay. So today we're going to make bear with me. It's really long, but it's going to be delicious. It's a chicken stuffed with big goat cheese, rosemary, bacon wrap thing.
Bacon wrap thing.
Bacon wrap chicken thing.
That's what we put on the menu, I think. Bacon wrap thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's thing with an A.
Yes.
All right. So we got a chicken thigh because that's what we got, and it's from Aldi's. And I think we got like a bunch of them for.
They come in packages of 8. They're dirt cheap.
Dirt cheap. And then we got the bacon from there as well. I think it's just the regular applewood kind of bacon. You can get whatever bacon you want. I'm a bacon connoisseur and love bacon. I love if you cook bacon by itself, when I cook bacon by itself, I always keep the bacon fat and I cook a lot of stuff with it. Deliciousness.
Well, now is a good time to also mention that we do cook Whole30 meals as well. And as restrictive as the diet can be, you can have bacon and bacon fat. So we cook with bacon and bacon fat when necessary. We don't overdo it, but she makes a really great bacon fat Brussels sprouts. Can't go wrong with that. So keep in mind, even if Whole30, she'll make you some delicious meals.
Yeah. So along with the, bacon and, let's get over the bacon little thing. So we're going to make this with some roasted broccoli. And then this is the fixings that we have for the stuffing, or what we're going to stuff it with. So we have these cool big preserves that were found at Aldi's.
No, that's actually from McQuaid's.
Just kidding.
At Kitch.
Yeah.
McQuaid's and Mystic.
Okay.
The goat cheese, rosemary, fresh garlic, and then we're making that with mashed potatoes, which I always make the mashed potatoes with ghee. I stopped using butter, regular butter, and until I found this magical ingredient. It's amazing.
Yeah. And also, cool thing about ghee, also Whole30 compliant. Yeah. So you can have potatoes with clarified butter, ghee, and it's equally delicious and better for you.
Yeah. So, all right. Let's make the mashed potatoes. We get a lot of compliments that our mashed potatoes are amazing. So we're going to kind of give you the tip on why they're so amazing. So after they're boiled, we cut them up small. We put them in it's really hot pot. My hands are burning. The water's hot. Let that kind of come down. And then we take out some of the water, actually. So you're like, I got to make my mashed potatoes. Let me take some water out. All right.
You test it. Is that considered fork tender, or what do you consider that when you put the fork in there? And
it's fork tender.
Fork tender? Soft? Okay.
So this is how much water I'm kind of leaving in. So we're going to use this.
Oh, the best masher in the world. Dan, what's the deal with this masher?
It's literally called the world's best potato masher because it is a combination of a masher and a ricer. So it smushes the big pieces down and then it gets smushed up through the holes. So you have no lumps at all. Some people like to use a potato ricer. This is like a combination of both. It's just a great piece of equipment. We sell it here at the store.
Yeah. And that also reminds me when you and I went to Joel Robuchon potatoes. They rice their potatoes, right? Supposed to get a better texture.
It's nice and it's creamy. There's no lumps at all, as Dan
The
said.
starch breaks down there.
Yeah. Okay, let's check this out.
So we're gonna add the ghee.
Oh, so okay. So I would smash it then add the ghee, but that's just a wasted step. Or
I like to put the ghee in there already.
Okay.
So ghee has a really cool, buttery, kind of nutty flavor to it. Once it comes out of the spoon.
Here.
You can do
What
this.
what is ghee though? What is it and how can we do something similar to ghee, like make a ghee or
It's a clarified butter. It's cool because, as you can see, it's gluten free, lactose free, all those frees. Well, yeah, you don't have to refrigerate it at all. One time, I found it at Costco with a big jug. Can't find it anymore. It's like a unicorn.
yeah. So if I but what I'm saying is if I could what is ghee? What is clarified butter?
It's taking all of the milk fats out of it. That's why it is
okay.
lactose free. So there's no raw dairy in there. It's taking all the
Oh.
butter fats out and keeping all the goodness in there.
Okay, that's amazing. Now I know.
So
I learned something new.
usually this would be super scorching hot, and that's the reason why I put the ghee in there.
I'll get it melted.
Yeah, so
What about salt? Do you wait to salt it out?
I wait to salt it.
Okay.
Oh, well, actually, I salt the water when I'm making these potatoes.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I don't try the handy dandy machine.
That's kind of cool. You can try it.
Alright. Are you just saying that because
Yeah, pretty much. I wanted to splash on you, not me.
I may have left maybe a little too much water, but it's salted water and it's a potato water. The reason why I did that too is so you don't have to add any dairy to it at all, which makes it dairy free.
Cold 30 compliance.
And that's the other reason why you don't want to add salt now. You want to wait till the product is completely finished because you boiled it all in salted water.
Yeah.
So,
All right.
so that's our potato trick and why they're so amazing.
Yep.
Well,
That's
besides
something
this
that's
cool handy dandy.
Maybe I'll try those potatoes because we have nice little potatoes.
Oh yeah. I know that. Alright, so let's stuff this chicken.
Okay. I'm gonna get my gloves on. I shouldn't say my gloves. These are Chef Becca's gloves, as you can tell. A little big. All right. What do I do? Do I do this on the cutting board?
You do it on the plate. Let's
Do it on the plate. Okay.
So I deboned this thigh. It's a chicken thigh.
Mm-hmm.
I took the bone out. You don't have to have this cool fancy knife.
Uh-huh.
This one.
Okay.
But I took out the bone. Super easy. You can make it as clean or not clean as you want. Just try to take that bone out so it's easier to roll, and it's going to cook evenly. So we're going to add the jam, or the stuffing, I should say. So
Yes.
goat cheese,
Uh-huh.
rosemary, garlic, and the fig preserves.
So do I just put it like that or do I spread it?
I just put it in the middle,
Okay.
and then we're going to roll it around.
Is that enough?
However much you want. That's the beauty of it.
Okay, we'll leave it like that. All right.
This as well, I don't season this either because the bacon has a lot of salt in it. So, and then the goat cheese as well. The goat cheese.
Oh my goodness.
Normally,
I'm getting so excited just
normally I would do like 2 pieces for like our regular customers. Yeah, I'm sorry. But like for us, I'm gonna do 3. Can't go wrong with 3.
Mhm.
And then the other one I'll do about this way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, babe. Okay.
So
And put it on the pan.
Dan brought out some toothpicks, but I don't really use toothpicks because it's all.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the pan?
Where's pan, Dan?
Dan, what kind of pan are we using?
One by USA Pan, the best baked pans out there.
Yay!
So we're just gonna throw this in the oven at 350 until it's done. That's my chef talking.
All right. Well, what? I'm not a chef, so what do you think? How long do you think I should
Let's
put
see,
it in?
maybe about like 10-ish minutes. I'm sure there's cool thermometers that can help you.
160 degrees minimum.
That can, well, like a probe or something that'll help you tell when it's completely done.
Yeah, meat thermometer.
Yeah.
Okay. The chicken in the oven is gonna go for roughly 10 to 11 minutes. It's gotta be 160, right? Lovely Dan gave us a meat thermometer so we could check it. And in the meanwhile, we went ahead and roasted some broccoli. And if you saw episode 3, we roasted some of that broccoli. And we're gonna scoop that with
The lovely mashed potatoes. Let me grab the chicken so I think it's ready.
okay. Oh yeah, babe.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Look at how amazing that looks.
Look at that. Oh. Dan, are you ready to take?
I am. As it smells phenomenal. The store smells incredible. Oh, the fig and the goat cheese and the rosemary and the bacon. I mean, wow. I mean, everything's good on bacon. Or bacon's good on everything, but that's incredible. That's a great combination. Wow. Really, really good.
What do you think of the potatoes? Let's see. Here. Yeah. That's the real.
They're almost as good as mine.
Ah, do you add butter and cream?
I do.
Say, come on.
And cream cheese sometimes.
Oh, well, yeah, you can't go wrong with that.
This is awesome.
Yep. And to think this is what you would get when you order from Nala's Kitchen. Oh,
Exactly.
This is time for a shameless plug.
Absolutely.
Nala's, NALAS-kitchen.com. And what are our handles?
Yes.
Facebook, Nala's Kitchen Weehaw. Instagram, Nala's Kitchen Weehaw. Twitter, Kitchen Nala's.
So signing off on another episode of Stuck at Home with the Coronavirus. Hope you guys are surviving okay and staying sane. Cheers.